Hey guys, welcome to Diecast, and in today's video I will be reviewing this Autoart 118 Xanavi Nismo GTR. And this box is a little bit bigger than your usual box. I'll just make a quick comparison here. I know it's not an Autoart box, but this is what I have, so yeah, like it's a little bit wider. The size is comparably bigger for sure, and I will show you why in a bit here. So yeah, this is 2002 JGTC Special Edition, driven by Satoshi Motoyama. That's his signature right there. It's not like hand signed, it's just a print. It's the guy right there. Car. So yeah, licensed by Nissan. Not for kids. Just show you around what it looks like. Yeah. Alright, let's open this guy up. I think I can open it as is. No, I cannot. I cannot. So let's get the back of this box cutter. There's already a rip on this one. There you go. And it still works great, even though there's a rip. Like, it kind of prevents the rip from making it worse, actually. Okay, this is going to be a little bit tricky, just because there are no... well, there is, but it's just so hard to get. Like, there's a tab right here, or like a finger hold, and then it's like right there. So how can you, man, it's even like too big for, yeah, so it's like right there. It's hard to grab. Like, how can you grab that? That's ridiculous. Okay, so we're just gonna use the weight of the box inner box to kind of help it down and slowly. Oh my goodness, this is tough. There you go. Okay, so in the box, it comes with this certificate of authenticity, and it's also numbered because it's only 1,000 pieces worldwide. So this one is 740. And then once we open this guy, does it open straight up? Yep. You can see the model. So why is this so special? Because it comes with its own case. So as you can see, that thing there, that's the case for it. And then I'm just gonna put the case back really quick so I can show you guys the other end of this. This is the bottom side. If you look underneath here, we see the base for it. And it's not just any base. You also have this nice plaque attached to that base, which commemorates that it's 1 out of 1,000 pieces. Really cool feature, actually. You know, like, not a lot of models have these, and it's like a lot more expensive than your usual one. So something that they didn't mention about this model here, just gonna open this again. I'm surprised they actually didn't mention it. This model is actually a sealed body shell, which means none of the parts open up. It is completely solid, but you get this nice figure inside, showing the driver holding the steering wheel. So yeah, that's a pretty cool part there. All right, I'm gonna take the screws off, and we'll check out this car. Okay, now that we have the car off the styrofoam base, it's really nice. And as soon as I lifted the car off the base, it's quite heavy. So If you've seen my other videos on these JGTC cars, they seem to be a little bit lighter, but this one is absolutely heavier compared to the other ones that I've had. And I have a feeling it's not just the model figure inside of the vehicle. I'm pretty sure that it's a metal base or maybe a metal body as well. So that might be the case here. So let's get to the exterior. This is one of the most iconic JGTC liveries out there. As you can see, it's super detailed. You have this like matte silver mixed with this glossy red, and you have some nice decals. The decals are very, very finely done. Like, you can't even tell that much. Like, you have to run your finger around just to tell how those textures from the decals are. But yeah, they're very nicely done. It's very well crafted. And I noticed on these older Autoarts, they do focus more on, like, let's say if they have a sealed body, they do focus more on the decal detail and all of the exterior, just because you can't really open the car. And in this case, you can't open the car, but you do have like this nice driver inside, so that's a nice detail there. Okay, so we have amazing detail, and we also have separate pieces. Looks like this is one piece, this door handle, but as we look over here on the side mirrors, it is a separate piece. This is also very fragile, this antenna right here. We do have some vents that look like they're through and through. These ones right here, and as well as those front fenders, also through and through. We also have some carbon fiber-esque looking parts, which have, I'm just going to zoom in a bit, which, for example, right here, this nice side skirt right here on the bottom. Very, very nice. Like, it's a nice glossy carbon fiber-esque look to it. Simulates real carbon fiber, I guess. Same with the rear. I mean, sorry, the front splitter here. And the canards as well. They have this like, these ones look like dry carbon fiber. And then this one's like a matte carbon fiber from the looks of it. GTR logo is also a separate part. Same with the hood pins, the windshield wiper. Tow hook is metal. And you also have some vents that go through and through. All these right here. And you also have some air passages here that go through and through. Interestingly, the headlights are, they look like they've been tinted around, and then they just left a square. Almost like the beam needs to be projected a certain angle, not to be projected like this much, I guess. So from this to that, that's what I assume. Yeah, interesting. Pretty similar on this side. You just get the shut off switch on this end, which is right here. As we go to the back, huge wing, Nissan logo up top, very nice. I've seen this multiple times. We also get the rear tow hook. The rear lights here they seem separate pieces, not painted, so that's nice. We also get some carbon fiber air ducts at the back here, which are also through and through, so that's a nice added feature. And we also get two more pins at the back to secure the trunk. Interesting. Sorry, there's 2 more right here. So there's 4 in total. Yeah, it's a great car. Interestingly, if you look underneath, you do not see the exhaust at all. Because on this car, the exhaust is right here, and I think it's on the other side as well. No, it's just one side. So yeah, it's just this one end here, if you didn't notice that. Okay, let's talk wheel detail. As you can see, the center nut is blue, and it is red on the other side to know which side's which. So you see a nice Volk racing wheel there. Very nicely done. Nice decals in the spokes. It does what do you call this? The steering actually works on this one, which pretty much all Autoart models do. We do see a nice detailed caliper and rotors. Nice vented rotors, very detailed. It seems like the rear is slightly bigger diameter than the front, but fairly similar in everything else. Same with the decals on the tires there, the face of the tire, and it's running on slicks. As for the underside of the chassis, one of the first things I need to mention here is the serial number is also underneath the car. So it matches the certificate of authenticity right there, 740 out of 1000. And then the details underneath aren't really as spectacular. Same with the other JGTC, what do you call this, sealed body models. So this one looks like the white wiring there, or pipe. I want to say it's wiring. It's actually a molded piece. It's not a separate piece. We do see in the middle here, the drive shaft is actually, it looks like this is a separate piece. This is a separate piece. And it's been like, I don't know, glued in together or something. So that's nice. And we go through the back. There are a few details that seem to have separated some suspension detail. And we see this colored part right here as well. It's pretty good. I mean, nobody really looks that much in like the bottom of the car, but it's nice to also see how far they went, right? Okay, so now for the interior. The driver is very well detailed. You see that harness is wrapped around him quite well. The visor is up. You can kind of see the driver inside. That's cool. Even the helmet's very detailed. It's crazy. And he is actually holding the steering wheel. Nice detailed steering wheel, by the way. It looks like it's textured. And you can't miss that the roll cage inside. Just that structure right there. Nice details in the steering wheel. We also see a gauge cluster there. You can see a digital gauge cluster. Let's see if we can pan on the other side here. The dash is flocked. Very nice. And going through the other side, it's a bit hard to see. Let me adjust my lighting here. It's a bit hard to see. Let me see if I can. There's a bit of a glare on it, so I'll try to get rid of the glare here for you. So yeah, inside you can see the driver has a lot of detail on that figure. Lots of detail as well on the center console. Nothing on the passenger side. It's pretty empty. It's a bear shaped, and yeah, like there's nothing at the back as well of it. Ooh, that glare is strong. And at the back we just don't see that much. We see more of the structure as a roll cage, and yeah, that's about it. But amazing detail for a sealed body. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.